Welcome to the first lesson on Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a powerful word processing application developed by Microsoft. It is widely used for creating, editing, formatting, and sharing documents such as letters, reports, resumes, and more. Key features of Microsoft Word. 1. User-friendly interface. The ribbon toolbar provides easy access to tools and features. 2. Document formatting. To customize fonts, colors, paragraph, alignment, and spacing. 3. Templates. Templates are pre-designed work for quick creation of professional documents. 4. Editing tools. Editing tools are used for spellings and grammar checks, thesaurus, and track changes. Insert options. To add images, tables, charts, and shapes to enhance documents. 6. Collaboration. To share and work on documents with others in real time. 7. File compatibility. To save files into various formats like .docx, PDF, or TXT. Why learn Microsoft Word? For professional use. It's used for essential and creating official documents. 2. Personal projects. Perfect for personal writing, journaling, or event planning. 3. Academic use. Ideal for assignments, research papers, and presentations. Learning objective for today. By the end of this lesson today, we're going to learn and understand the purpose of Microsoft Word. We're going to learn how to start the application and explore its interface. And finally, we'll create and save a simple document. Now let's dive into exploring Microsoft Word.